Oh, what does the groom do for a living?
Oh, he's into stock trading.
Stock trading? Really? But how can he run a family with that? Isn't it a risky business?
Papaji, the risk comes when I try to predict the market. No prediction means no risk.
But how do you do all this?
The secret is the Dozen Diamonds app.
Doesn't Diamonds app? That sounds great. Oh, we have also heard about this app. People speak highly of it. Doesn't Diamonds app, where trading is easy and stress-free. Simple calculations, no prediction. Whether the market goes up or down, there's no tension.
Well, this is a perfect match then. The groom is an expert in the stock market, and now with the Dozen Diamonds app, stressless trading too.
Dozen Diamonds app, your companion for stressless free trading.